Hi, welcome to Video Math Lessons. This is an Algebra 2 and Trigonometry Do Now. You have 2 minutes. Go. All right, now this first question has two parts. And they give us a definition. Log of 2 is A, log 13 is B. And then they want us to express in terms of A and B. Some students have difficulty with this, so we're going to go through it nice and easy. So if the first one, so I want to change it to 2's and 13's. Now, it's not in this problem, but sometimes if you can take out a log 10, it's equal to a 1. We're allowed to use those also, even if they don't give it to these in this direction. So you guys say 26. Well, you recognize 26 is really 2 times 13. Now in log world, when you see multiply, it means rip it apart. So this would be log 2 plus log 13. And from our definition at the top, we're going to trade that out. Wherever I see log 2, I put A, and 13 is B. So this is going to be A plus B. And that's the first part. Now let's look at this one. Now this one's a little harder. So it says log 8 over rad 13. Well, 8, hopefully you recognize as 2 to the third power. And 13, we don't use radicals in log world, so I'm going to change the radical to 1/2 power. And then we're going to rip this apart now. So this has like a bunch of everything in it here. So I got exponents on top, they're going to go in front, and division means subtract. So let's expand this out. So it's going to become 3 log 2 minus 1/2 log 13. And now we're going to trade it out. So it'll be 3a minus 1/2 b. This one is definitely a step up from the first one. Now, let's take a look at the second one here. So they give us an equation, y equals 4.1 to the x. It's an exponential equation. They want us to round to the nearest tenth, one decimal place, when y is 26. So first thing we have to plug in is 26 equals 4.1 to the x power. Now, I can't work with the x up in the air. It's an exponent. So I got to knock it down, but we use logarithms to knock it down to the ground. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. So I write log 26 equals x log 4.1. And we use this because we know the properties of logarithms, exponents go in front. So now I can actually work with it. These are just decimals. So I can divide. It's just a regular number, so it's just divide. And it's going to be big decimals, but we got a big calculator, so it's going to work out. So we're going to just divide. Nice and easy. And we use our calculator. So log 26. Now it's important to make sure you close the 26. Divide by log 4.1. And we hit enter, and we get 2.30909, blah, blah, blah. And they want us to round to one decimal place, the nearest tenth. So my answer is 2.3. Now I can check this. Now, what I'm saying, if I type in 4.1 to the x power, now if I use 2.3, it's not going to be perfect. So what I can do is I can go 4.1, and I'm going to check the actual answer up here by using this second negative, which is answer. So second answer, and hit enter, and it works out to be 26. So this is a good answer. Thanks a lot.